Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, She's French, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. First things first, I want to thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. I actually can't believe that we hit it. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. I'm shocked that people even tune in to watch my silly little videos. So thank you so much for being here. It means so much to me. If you've been here for a while now, I thank you even more because I know some of you guys have been watching for like years. So I actually can't believe it. Thank you so much. And it's the perfect opportunity if you're not subscribed yet, but you enjoy my content, I would love for you to subscribe. It's down below. You know what to do. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is @shesfrench, just like the channel. I post a lot more on Instagram. I post on my stories almost every day. I love showing you what I'm up to and what's happening in France, blah, blah, blah. So if you're interested, make sure to follow me over there. I'd love to see you guys there. So I've been thinking a lot about my content and what you guys like to see from me. And I know that you guys love the fashion aspect of my channel, and I do as well. You guys know I love fashion. So today is a fashion video. I know we've been doing a lot of beauty recently, and I want to talk about my fall winter. I'm putting them together because it's just basically cold weather shoe rotation. I also recently purchased 2 new pairs of shoes, so I want to show those to you as well. I want to talk you through the choices for each and why they're in my rotation as a minimalist. I'm super picky, but I love shoes. It's actually quite rare for me to fall in love with a pair of shoes. I feel like there's so much out there, it's quite overwhelming, and I think it's kind of hard for things to like really shine in that kind of environment, but I feel like I found some really good goodies and I want to show them to you guys. I feel like I changed a lot of my rotation when I moved to Paris, but I feel like now it makes a lot of sense. So I've shown you all my shoes before, but now let's actually talk about what I'm going to be wearing these 2 next upcoming seasons, basically in the colder weather. Very particular, everything has a purpose. I don't like to have shoes that kind of do the same thing. I like them to all offer something new, especially as a minimalist, because what tends to happen is if shoes are too similar or anything is too similar, you end up choosing one over the other, and naturally one becomes kind of unworn, untouched, and I really don't like when that happens because then it means that I didn't really make a smart purchase, and it's really apparent when it's staring back at you, which always worries me. But yeah, I'm excited to show you the new ones. One of them is actually crazy and something I've never done before, so I want to talk about that too. But yeah, let's go through it. Oh my gosh, it's a big box. I'm so excited to show you. I got these, and these kind of empowered me to get the other pair, so we'll talk about how they go together. So these are a pair of tall boots from the brand Spell and the Gypsy collective. It's actually been a while since I purchased anything from them. If you're a super OG subscriber, you might remember that I had a lot of pieces from this brand. At one point way back then, I used to dress quite like bohemian and all of that. And their clothes, if you're into that, are like the best for that. I love everything that they make. Although I wouldn't wear everything now because my style has changed a little bit, I still love the quality of their clothes, and I think they make amazing footwear, which is why I got a pair of these. So let me show you. I wasn't kidding when I said it was tall boots. They're actually not that tall, but I feel like this is massive, so bear with me. Here they are. They're the most beautiful Western style cowboy boots. I've worn them once already after spraying them like crazy with shoe protectant, because with these you have to. And actually, good thing I did, because I went and had a coffee with Ryan and he spilled his coffee on me and on the boots, which was like, could have been a disaster. The coffee just rolled off of them, which was like mind-blowing. The protector is the spray from Jason Mark. You can get it on Amazon. I've used it for years. It's so good, especially on suede, because you really need to protect that kind of material. It is so, like, it's a material you have to baby, so really recommend it. They are so soft, like buttery soft. They fit true to size. I really don't like ordering online for shoes, but I got lucky with this pair. I am a true 39, but with all the other shoes I have, I feel like I always have to make variations on my size to find the right fit, and these just worked, so yay. I've been super leaning into Western recently. I was a bit scared because I know it's a little bit of a trend too, but I feel like boots like this are classic. Cowboy boots are not going anywhere. They kind of like hold a special place in my heart too because I have my little sticker business, Cowboy Cafe, and I don't know, I don't know why it's all Westerny and why I went for that, but I think it's so cute. I have so much fun with my little shop. I always make little puns about Western things. So I felt like I had to dress the part. So here are my Cowboy Cafe boots, we'll say. I really wanted to try tall boots again. I love that cowboy boots give you the option to be worn in the colder month, but also in the warmer month. I tried these with shorts and like a white tee and a blazer, and it looked so good. These add so much, and also they make your legs look amazing. They're super flattering. I love where they fall. They don't fall quite at the knee, but a little bit below, and just so flattering. And they also look great with pants, which is how I'm wearing them right now. Same thing, like simple tee, blazer. I just love what they add to that. You might remember that I had gotten a pair of black boots right before moving to Paris, and I actually really liked them for the outfits I was wearing in California. But when I moved here, I felt like I don't think I'm into black boots. Well, I might change my mind later. You guys know sometimes I do that. But I feel like black boots, when you're wearing like a lot of black, because I wear a lot of black as it is, and then my coat is black, it was just like so many layers of black. It was just giving like this like black, like sad feeling. I felt like it wasn't like, I still like the cozy element in the colder months, and I just felt like it was too cold. It was too like almost edgy. I didn't like how they looked, so I don't have those anymore. These are my only tall boots. Really wanted to get a good pair. I was like not traumatized from the other ones, but I felt like those were like not the right purchase, and they did work in California, but then I like pretty much got rid of them instantly after moving here because I realized really fast I didn't like how the outfits looked with them. So I waited a long time before buying a second pair of tall boots, and I'm super happy with these. And I'll say actually that I really recommend brown as a tall boot. Another tall boot that I absolutely love, and unfortunately I can't get here, is the Fry Campus boot, and they have the banana colorway, which I adore and I think is so cool and different but still quite neutral. But then they have like this like amazing chestnutty brown, actually quite similar to these, and it looks like a bit worn in parts. If you know Fry boots, I think you'll know the ones if you like look on the website, but I love those and I wish I could get those, but I can't get them here. Maybe one day further down, that's a boot that I'll consider still, because I think they'd be really different to these, give off a different look, but still like black is not doing it for me in boots at the moment. And now for the thing that I cannot believe I did. I don't know if you'll remember these. I rebought a pair of boots that I used to have years ago. I've never done that before. Normally, I'm pretty like, I've been a minimalist for a long time now. I'm pretty like, I know what I like and what I don't like in my closet and so on, and kind of everything. I'm so like, you guys know me. So I had these and I sold them. And when I sell things, typically it's like, I feel like I wore them, or like, you know, they did the thing. Maybe I got a little bit tired of them, because when you don't have a lot of clothes and you cycle through your clothes, you can get tired of them. I think it's normal. That's why also like basics are your best friend when you have a closet like that, because you're not going to get tired of a basic. But it wasn't the case for these. I had these and I adored them, but I felt like they were not wearable, which is like, climate is so funny, because like the black boots in California are great. These in California I didn't like. I felt like these needed to go with pants, but then when I wore pants with these, it was like too dressed up, like too much for my lifestyle in California. So they kind of just sat, and I was pretty torn about selling them because they were literally pristine and perfect and so stunning. I always loved how they looked. I fell in love with these the moment I saw them. These are from Spell as well, by the way, and that's why I knew that the quality would be amazing, because I had owned these in the past and I remember being blown away by these boots already the first time around. I actually found these on Vinted and I've had them saved for so long. Spell is not a super popular brand in Europe. I feel like, I don't know that these would like fly off of Poshmark or whatever in the US, but I don't know, I was surprised to see them in my size too, but I was really thinking like, okay, I've had these before. I was kind of getting the guilt, like I don't know about rebuying them. But then I ordered the tall ones and they came and they were so stunning, and it kind of like made me fall in love with Spell and their quality and their boots, that I was like, ugh, I have these saved for such a good price. They literally released like 5 years ago. I know I'd be pretty sad if someone bought them. So I ordered them and I'm so glad I did. They were literally perfect. I've worn them once. I need to break these in though. I forgot that these are actually super tall, and if you're not used to wearing heels all the time, I feel like you need to like make them nice and comfy for your foot. So they have a little heel. I love the point that they have. They look so good with pants, and these are actually great as like the like partner to the other ones, because I feel like these are perfect for pants, like underpants, which work great with basically all the pants I have. And then the other ones are great to like transition into summer, warmer weather, but also to wear over pants for like that different like classic cowboy boot look. Another reason why I considered these two was I felt like I really wanted a heeled boot, especially for work. I wanted to like, you know, like do the grown-up thing. Like we all imagine like what we're gonna wear as an adult, and I feel like we all thought we would be wearing heels all the time. And I don't know if you guys wear heels all the time, but I definitely do not wear heels all the time. So I really wanted to incorporate something like that in my closet and, you know, like just have fun and like live the experience. All right, so now let's go through the rest of my rotation with the shoes I already own. We're gonna start in like, I don't know, I'm just gonna grab and show you. I don't know how to organize them, but they all do something different. So first things first are these, which are not actually a winter shoe per se, but these are the Chanel Dad sandals, and these are suede. I love these so much. These were actually a summer purchase for my closet, but I feel like the suede is such a like cozy material, and they look great in the summer for like elevating outfits with being a sandal. But these with socks, so cute. I absolutely love how it looks. Sometimes instead of reaching for my Ugg boots, I've been doing the socks and these, but you know, I can only do that for so long before it gets too cold. So right now I'm really enjoying these while it's still decently warm, and I love that I get to use them in an extra season now, because that makes me feel better about having them, purchasing them, cost per wear, etc. And I don't know, they like, it kind of gives me the look of like Birkenstocks, like shoes like that kind of cozy look, but being different and like worn in an unexpected way, like maybe like in a way that's like so ugly it works. I want to say, like, you know, like cozy bunchy socks with these, like imagine like a cute like knitted pair. That's what I've been doing, like an outfit like this, black jeans, like baggy jeans with like the socks. And these I've just absolutely been loving. I can't do a fall winter video without showing you Ugg boots. I purchased these over a year ago. I got the mini but no platform, and I'm glad that I did that because I still find the platform to be quite trendy. I love how they look. I love the platform, but I just feel like I still feel like these will ultimately last longer. I don't think platforms are going anywhere, and I'm a huge fan of platforms, but I think that if you're gonna have like one pair of Uggs, these are the perfect pair. I reach for these a lot. These are my like, it's really bad, but like it's raining shoes, and I know you're not supposed to wear them in the rain, but the weather is so unpredictable. The rest of my shoes are quite precious shoes. So if I'm gonna wear a shoe and it's cold and it's not the best weather, these are the ones I'm gonna wear. I have like a little kit to take care of these, so I need to give them a little makeover so that they look a bit nicer, but you know, they're still great. They'll last me a long time. I love them. I don't think Uggs are going anywhere. I think we all collectively got over the bump of like, oh, Uggs are ugly, and now we're like, they're a fall winter staple. The next pair that I want to show you, and you see how there's a color story here. I've been like really into browns rather than like straight black for shoes, although like Chanel's, but they have like a special material to them. These are my Chanel ballerinas. These are my work shoes. I typically wear these at work. I like that now I have the option of the boots to wear to work, because I was kind of wearing these pretty much every day. I've done the Ugg boots here and there on bad weather days, but I felt like they weren't dressed up enough. I feel like the low boots now, or the low boots, I feel like the low like ankle boots are like the elevated Uggs if I want to wear them to the office. But these are my trusted ballerinas. They're the best. I love them. I love the color. These were just like classic. And last but not least, these are dirty, don't mind them. That's the whole point of these. These are my gym shoes, workout shoes. These are the Lululemon shoes with the little like extra ankle support, which I really appreciate because I have bad ankles and I have to wear insoles. Horrible, I know. But yeah, I wear these to the gym every day. And then I also reach for these on days where I'm like, not that I go super often, but if I go to Disneyland with my family, things like that, where we're walking a lot, these are the shoes that I'll grab because my other shoes are great, but nothing compares to an actual sneaker. In the past, I went back and forth a lot on whether I wanted to add like a white sneaker to my closet, which was like a staple. As of right now, I still don't really have the need to add a sneaker. I love the rotation that I've created that I've just shown you without a sneaker. And then of course the running shoes as like a workout shoe like filled the gap perfectly for me. And then with the occasional wear for like super heavy walking days. I love how everything works together. It's really easy to pick a shoe, or sometimes it's hard because I want to wear like a few different ones at the same time, which is great because they all give like a kind of different feel. Still grouping up what my style is at the moment. I still have my low the row boots, the low like zip up black booties. I'm not gonna part with them. They're an absolute classic. I love them, but right now I'm more into brown, like warmer feeling shoes than I am black. I do wear them once in a while and I reach for them every so often. They have a little platform to them, which is fun if I want to add height. But as of right now, this is the actual rotation. I've been thinking a lot about my style recently and like what I'm trying to put out into the world, and every so often I kind of reevaluate my style. You guys saw me do that a few times on this channel. I feel like you should definitely have your own style and give out, you know, your own identity. But I also feel like it has to match your lifestyle too. So for my current lifestyle, you know, as a mom, person who works in an office, this is working really well for me. In the past, I might have worn different things and maybe I'll wear different things in the future. But for right now, I love what I've created. I don't know, I feel like I'm leaning, this is gonna sound weird, leaning into like the mom look. But I want to look cute. I want to look like comforting, cozy, but I still want to look like put together. So I think I'm blending like my old style, which was maybe like more like chic, elevated, elegant, but I'm adding like some softer pieces to it. I don't know, you guys, I feel like you'll see. I feel like the shoe lineup kind of makes sense as to what my style is. So yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but I feel like the lineup kind of makes sense with the style that I'm going for. I'm super excited for autumn. I'm excited to add maybe a couple knits here and there. I've also taken up knitting. As if I needed another hobby, I've taken up knitting. So I'm excited to eventually learn how to knit and hopefully make some of my own knit pieces. First, I'm gonna start with a scarf, I think. It's actually quite hard, so bear with me. If I ever make a piece of clothing, you'll be the first to see. And this is silly, but I wanted to show you because I'm proud. And I mentioned my little shop, Cowboy Cafe, to you guys, and I wanted to show you because I've stuck these ones on my Kindle and I have these on my work computer, and I feel like they're so cute. They're little stickers of my shoes. It's really inspired. So yeah, if you're interested in any cute stickers to decorate your Kindle, laptop, water bottle, notebooks, whatever you want, that are all hand drawn, I make everything myself. I print them, I cut them, I package, I do everything. If you're interested, check out my little sticker store, Cowboy Cafe. They're so cute. It'll be linked below. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!